guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I really feel like making some red Thai curry chicken. Let's go. Okay guys, we have the red Thai curry chicken. We have some very nice coconut milk, and we as well have some very nice fish sauce. We as well have some basil, some and some coriander. Also, we have some cucumber, carrot, and broccoli, some veggies. Very nice. And we got the chicken. Very nice. I like the chicken. It's really yummy. Alright, guys. For my chicken curry, I need to go my vegetables. I'm going to pick some nice chili for my garden. I as well need some tamanga basil. So let's just get that. There we go. As well, we got some lime leaves. Very nice. And I love lime leaves, guys. We need to get a little bit of tamanga basil. And that's good. Guys, this is the chili I got from my garden. And I'm going to be cutting it in very small slices. Cut. Guys, I love cutting chili. It's really cool. And then we're gonna put this some jalapenos for my red curry chicken. So we have to put this in. And then we need to put it in here. We need to add some lime to squish it a bit. Then we need to add some very nice fish sauce. We need to then tip it in a little bit. Tip. We have to do a lot though because it's good for our curry. Guys, I can't open up the red curry chicken sauce. Oh, it smells really good, like really good. Guys, now we need to open up the very nice coconut milk. Okay, just squeeze it in there. Very nice. Make sure they're really big, and you have to have two sides, so it's really good. Okay guys, let's start cooking. We're going to get the oil and we're going to put it in the pan like very nice and firmly. Just put a little bit, only a little bit guys, because it's really good. Then we need to add the nice red curry chicken sauce. We need to put it in a little bit, just put like all of it in guys. You must put all of it in, it makes the recipe really nice. Then just get the spoon to stir it a little bit, just give it a little quick stir, very nice, very nice. After that, you need to get the lime leaves. You need to crunch them in and put them in there. Get a little quick mix and all the texture stuff goes in there. Then get the coconut milk and pour it in right there. All of it in, guys. Put all of it in nice fresh curry. Then stir it a little bit. Just stir it like a lot. Very nice, very beautiful. Just keep stirring. Make sure all the red texture goes in, and that'll be really nice. Just keep stirring. Nice. After that, get your second jar of coconut milk and keep pouring. Keep pouring until it's all fully empty. After that, give it another stir. Make sure all the red texture goes in. Make it very nice and soft and white to make it red. After that, add some lime leaves. Add all of the lime leaves, because when you add it, all the lime leaves smell will go in and make it very nice. So yeah. Cooked. Let me just make sure it's almost cooked. Well, let's add some vegetables. So we're going to add our cucumber. Oh, you mean like that? Okay, now we have to mix it up. Wait, what do I sauce again. Now you add some on. The smell of the lime's really nice. We need to get some herbs. We have to wash it. Oh wait, we already did. We need some coriander. Let's mix it. Let me check the chicken. Oop, the chicken's already cooked. We made some nice King Kong, some rice and some nice chicken, curry chicken. Here we got some jalapenos and some soy sauce. Not soy sauce. Oh yes, soy sauce. Now we have to put it in. Let's eat. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I know it was quick, but sorry, I need to go.